Hi everyone, Jay this side. Back with another question number 19 for the same book, which is the Introduction to Management Science, 14th edition by David Anderson. And here is the question number 19. There we go. Here is the question. The Silver Star Bicycle Company manufactures for both men and women. Here's the question. Probably you must have gone through this question and you might be looking for a solution in Excel using the solver. So I have completed the solution. Here is the answer report sensitivity for part 1 and part B as well. So these are the answers to part A and part B. These are the answers to part B, and there we go, solver. Here is for the part 1, and then we have for part B available over here using the solver. So you can just go back over here and I will guide you absolutely step by step how I did this question. The answers are also available on Chegg. Absolutely, they are available on Chegg. If you want to go ahead and search for it, I can just share the link with you. Give me just a few more seconds. It's available on Chegg, but you will not be able to get the complete solution. You will not get so here is the solution on Chegg. If you search for this solution on Chegg, you will not be getting, I do have the access to Chegg and also to the Course Hero site. I have gone through their solutions and this is what they provide. If this is the answer, you're gonna upload it in Excel, you will probably get a 0. I'm not too sure. They will just pull you up, you cheated from Chegg or things like that. But I do have the entire solution with step-by-step solution with the sensitivity report and the answer report over here with the correct solution, which is matching. So, yep, if you want to download the copy of this, go back in the comment section. I will just share my phone number and email address. So it's US +1 315 909 5210. I'm repeating the phone number and my email address is giant@rggupta.com. Over here, yeah, I want to zoom it a little bit. There we go. So yep, this is it. If you need help or need step-by-step answer how I did, what I did and what needs to be done, if you need some help, personal counseling on similar questions like this, because I completed almost all the answers to this book. I do have the solution to this manual. If you want to download a copy to the solution manual, absolutely go ahead and send me the email or WhatsApp, or just give me a call. I'll be available right there. I appreciate your time. Looking forward to hear from you. Thank you.